Hey everyone, it's Friday already of our 1 week meal plan. And today we're going to be making potato soup. Now we don't have anything special on today's prep or tomorrow's prep for the bruschetta pizza. So for the potato soup, some of the ingredients we'll be using are the bacon, potatoes, onion, chicken broth, milk, heavy cream, sour cream, garlic, flour, and a little bit of butter. So first we're going to start off with browning our bacon and then remove that and set it aside from our large stock pot, leaving the drippings in the pot and adding our butter and onion and just cooking that until the onion is tender. Then add your minced garlic and flour, stirring that until it's well incorporated. Add your potatoes, broth, milk, heavy cream, and salt and pepper to taste. Just bring this mixture to a boil and cook it until the potatoes are tender. You'll want to reduce the heat and then use an immersion blender or carefully pour part of the mixture into a regular blender and puree the soup until it gets to the desired consistency that you and your family like. Some people like their potato soup a little chunkier and some like it really smooth. So then at this point you can add the sour cream and the cooked bacon and stir that well. Simmer the soup for at least another 15 minutes and then serve piping hot with either some additional sour cream, bacon, shredded cheddar cheese, and some chives to make this a loaded baked potato soup. Some simple sides you can do is a garden salad and maybe some bread, maybe like a Dutch oven bread. And then if you have any leftovers from tonight, you can freeze those for a quick lunch or an easy future dinner. So now it's time to get cooking. Once you make this dish, post a picture of it on social media using the hashtag #TheRuralHomeRecipes and also tag myself. And we'll see you tomorrow night for the bruschetta pizza.